It's everyone's favorite shopping holiday of the year, Black Friday, and this time of year is so exciting for us at Makers Clean because it's when we have our biggest sale of the year. The entire store is marked down by up to 50% off. You don't need any coupon codes. You will see the discount right there on the website. You can visit makersclean.com or makersclean.ca and start loading up your cart. Now, every single year, we inevitably end up selling out of some of our best selling products because people know this is the time to get the best price. So if there's something you've been holding off on, make sure that you go to Makers Clean and stock up on what you love. Now in 2025, we have some really great new products coming through, and if you want to be among the first to know about them, make sure that you sign up for the Makers Clean Insider. I've got a link to it down below. It's our email newsletter, and not only will you receive special offers and discounts, but you'll get VIP access to new product drops. Happy shopping and happy Black Friday.